Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another Ipsy unboxing. This video will be going up late because the package got here late. It got lost in the mail and I had to email the company, but it is finally here and I'm so excited. I did see the spoilers on here from my app, but it's okay because we still get to see them together. The bag this month is beautiful. It's very sparkly. My only complaint is the glitter kind of comes off a little bit, but it's not too bad. I don't know if you can see, it's very shiny. It's like a light pink sparkle. And then for the zipper, it's a tassel. You do get a card that shows you everything you will be getting in your bag. The items that are in here are by far my favorite out of all the bags that I have received from Ipsy so far. Okay, I've never received a mud mask from them, and I haven't heard of this brand. It's Rep, and it is a mud mask with real calming herbs. I can probably get 3 uses out of this. It's actually a pretty good sized sample. So I love mud masks, so I will be trying this out. The next thing in here is a mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, and it's Bad Gal. Like I said in my past videos, I love getting these sample mascaras because they are easy to take when I travel. And I like them because when I buy a big tube of it, I feel like it dries out before I can use the whole thing up. So I like using these more because by the time they dried out, I've already used most of it up. I love Benefit. I use a lot of their brow products, but I've never tried their mascara, so we will see what this looks like. It says Bigger Batter Volumizing Mascara. And it doesn't look like it's waterproof, which I don't like waterproof mascara. And it claims to last 36 hours. I will not be wearing this for 36 hours, but it has a long wear time. The next thing in here is this Estate lip gloss, and I love the packaging, how it's like an ice cream cone like dripping down. I think that is so cute. I don't really wear a lot of lipstick, but I think this lip gloss is light enough to where it will be cute on. It looks really pink on camera. So there is the applicator. It smells like vanilla. I think it's very pretty and I really like it. It is a lip icing. I think it's pretty on. It's kind of sticky, and that's the one thing I don't like very much about lip glosses, but I think it's a pretty like color that I can just wear with any makeup. So that's the lip gloss. I got a MAC Prep and Prime. And I literally just bought this at Ulta. If you go back and watch my Ulta video where they had everything on sale, I got this. This is the yellow one. I think I got the tan or whatever the other color was, so it's a little different. The other one I have is okay. I feel like for a primer, my skin kind of gets a little oily at the end of the day, whereas my other primers, it doesn't. But I still really like this. I'm honestly kind of shocked that they put a MAC product in my bag. I didn't know they did that, so that was a surprise. The last thing in here is a Naked Cosmetics pigment. The shade on this is Naturally Nude, and I guess I read it wrong when I was looking at my app because I thought it was just going to be an eyeshadow, but this is actually a loose pigment, so I'm kind of scared to open it. I feel like it's going to go everywhere, but I feel like it's a really pretty color. And I love naked eyeshadows, so this I have never tried before. I honestly don't think I've ever tried a loose pigment before, so this will be different, and I feel like I hope it's not messy, and I hope this shows up and lasts longer than like my other shimmers that I use, and who knows, I might like pigments more. I feel like the colors that I use on my face are more neutral, so this is a good color to pair with it. That is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry the video will be going up late. I had no control over when the mail came, so I do apologize for that. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching my video. Please hit that like button and comment down below what you would like to see me do next. Bye!